In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to favorite an item on Etsy. Perfect for beginners looking to personalize their shopping experience on this wonderful platform. Etsy is a fantastic marketplace known for its unique, handcrafted, and vintage treasures created by independent sellers around the world. Whether you're browsing for something special to gift or treating yourself, the ability to favorite and save items can enhance your shopping experience. So let's dive in and make sure you never lose track of those items that caught your eye. First, let's start by opening a product page on Etsy. This is your initial step. When you are exploring Etsy, you might come across a variety of fascinating items, from jewelry and home decor to clothing and beyond. To find these items, you can simply use the search bar at the top of the home page or explore curated collections and categories. Once an item sparks your interest, click on it to be taken to the product page. Here you'll find all the detailed information about the item, including descriptions, pricing, and more. Opening the product page is essential because it's here that you will perform the next steps to favorite the item. Now that you're on the product page, it's time to click the heart icon. This icon is generally located near the item's title or price. Clicking this heart isn't just a gesture of admiration for the item. It's your key action that saves the item to your favorites list. Think of it as a virtual bookmark that ensures you can easily return to this specific product without having to remember every detail about it or perform another search. A quick tip here: if you're logged into your Etsy account, your favorites will be saved across all your devices, making it easy to shop wherever you are. Once you click the heart icon, the item is automatically saved to your favorites list. This list is a handy feature of your Etsy account where all your favorite items are stored. It's particularly useful if you're someone who likes to compare different options before making a decision, or if you just like to admire the beautiful possibilities. Whether it's art, craft supplies, or unique gifts, you can curate your own personalized collection on Etsy. Lastly, to access your favorites, simply go to your profile. On your Etsy homepage, navigate to your profile icon, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will give you a drop-down menu where you'll find the Favorites option. By selecting it, you'll be transported to a comprehensive display of all the items you've favorited. Here you can revisit and organize your saved items, making your shopping not only easier, but also more enjoyable. And there you have it. Favoriting items on Etsy is not only straightforward, but a great way to enhance your shopping experience and keep track of potential purchases. Whether you're shopping for yourself or gathering ideas for gifts, this feature helps Etsy enthusiasts keep an organized and inspiring shopping list at their fingertips. Thanks for watching, and happy Etsy shopping!